Hey Big Bass fans, welcome back to my vlog channel, and in today's video I'm just going to be solving this Rubik's Cube really quick. So yeah, like I said, this is my vlog channel, and so I'm not going to be posting just fishing videos here. I'm just going to be doing a bunch of random things, and some of them will be fishing videos as well, like hiking into a fishing spot that I might fish at, and pretty much like that. So I'm just going to solve this. Haven't solved one of these for a little bit now, so I'm sorry if I'm bad. The link to subscribe to my main channel will be down below. That is actually called Big Bass Fishing, so subscribe there if you want. I think there. I got it. I thought I forgot this method you use. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching this vlog video. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, my main fishing channel will be linked down below.